evening all of you. I Razia Patan from Nanmaji Vidyapith Standard 4. So students, previous lecture में हम लोगों ने word problems and divide by 10 complete किया था, right? Now today we will start perimeter. Okay. Now in that here in your paper pattern one question is that find the perimeter of the following shape. The question is the find the perimeter of the following shapes. So in that what you have to do, आप लोगों को क्या करना है? In that in your question paper one shapes is there. एक shapes होगा आप लोगों के पास. For example one shape is a square. Square is there and there side is 4 centimeter. वन साइड इज देयर, एक ही साइड आप लोग को दी होगी, ठीक है. वन साइड इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो हाउ टू फाइंड द अदर साइड? सो इन दैट फॉर्मूलाज आर देयर, ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट वी विल लुक एट दैट एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्टार्ट द रिविजन. ओके. Perimeter is the total length around a closed fingers. For the figures given alongside perimeter A plus B plus C D E F. Now see, here is a closed figure is there. Now see, here is a different figures are here, right? Proper shapes are not here. So in that जब प्रॉपर शेप नहीं होगा एट दैट टाइम हम क्या करेंगे? पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी प्लस सी प्लस डी प्लस एफ. जितने यहाँ पे फिगर्स होंगे उसको हम नेमिंग दे देंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी विल गेट द आंसर. नाउ पेरीमीटर ऑफ द इरेग्युलर शेप, ये जो शेप्स है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? इरेग्युलर शेप. So perimeter is the length of the side only across boundary without taking the inner side. Perimeter of the figure. Now inner side यहाँ पे नहीं है. Now see, here is a 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 1, 1, 5, 5 and 4 centimeter. सो इन दैट हमें क्या करना है? 1 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 6 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 6 सेंटीमीटर, 1 सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर, 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो वी विल गेट द आंसर. वी विल गेट द आंसर 24 बिकॉज ऑफ द 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 6, 7 on your mind, 6 on your finger, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. 30 plus 1, 40. 40 plus 5, 14 on your mind, 5 on your finger. 40 after 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 plus 4, 90 after 90 after 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 plus 5, 23 on your mind, 5 on your finger. 23 after 25, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So here what we have to write here? 28. Now some figures are here. In that figure here is a triangle. So what we have to do? Triangle perimeter formula, which formula we have to use? Perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. So in that we have to give the name. हमें क्या देना है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम उसको नेमिंग दे देंगे. ए बी है उसको हमने ए नेम दे दिया, बी सी है उसको हमने बी नेम दे दिया एंड सी ए है उसको हमने सी नेम दे दिया, ठीक है. सो हियर नेमिंग इज कंप्लीटेड. सो इन दैट हियर वी हैव टू राइट पी इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी प्लस सी. नाउ if A is equal to 6 centimeter, B is equal to 4 centimeter and C is equal to 3 centimeter. So a plus b plus c, तो 6 plus 4 plus 3, 6 on your mind, 4 on your finger, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 3, 10 on your mind, 3 on your finger, 10 after 11, 12, 30. So here we have to write 30 centimeter. After that square shape is there. So in the square shape पे क्या है? A B C, A B, AC and BD. ठीक है. So in that AB plus BD plus DC plus CA. Here only one side they will provide to us. वो लोग हमें सिर्फ वन ही साइड देंगे. सो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? P इज इक्वल टू पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू S प्लस S प्लस S. सो S हाउ मेनी टाइम्स आर S? कितनी टाइम S है? 1 2 3 एंड 4 टाइम्स आर देयर. सो हम उसको 4 इंटू S कर सकते हो. S मीन्स साइड, S मीन्स साइड. So 4 into S, that means S 4 into side. If side is equal to 5 centimeter, if side is equal to 5 centimeter, so in that P is equal to 4 into side, 4 into side. So here what we have to write? 4 into side kitna? Which side we are having? 5 centimeter side. So here we have to write 4 into 5. So answer is 4 5s are 20 centimeter. 4 5s are 20 centimeter. Now next one is a triangle. In a triangle we have to follow. Now triangle AC and BD. So in that हम यहाँ पे naming AB plus BD plus CD plus CA. Perimeter is equal to AB plus BD plus CD plus CA. So in that what we have to do? P is equal to, now see, L plus breadth. L means length plus breadth. Here P is equal to L plus D plus L plus B. So in short we have to write L is a 2 times. So here we have to write 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, because of the B is also 2 times. So L into length plus 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now for example, length is equal to 7 centimeter and breadth is equal to 3 centimeter. So what we have to write here? P is equal to 2 into L plus 2 into B. 2 into L plus 2 into B. So in that 2 into L is equal to 7 centimeters. 7 plus 2 into B, breadth. Breadth is a 3 centimeter. 2 into 3. So 2 7s are 40. 40 plus 2 3s are 6. 40 plus 6. 14 on your mind, 6 on your finger. 40 after 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. So our answer is 20 centimeter. Okay. Now look at this. So here revision standard 4. Find the perimeter of the following shapes. So in that, for example, here shapes is a rectangle. Which one shapes we are having? Rectangle shape. In that length is equal to 10 and breadth is 10 centimeter and breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so first of all we will write the formula. Perimeter is equal to into L plus 2 into breadth. So in that 2 into length is equal to here L is equal to 10 and breadth is equal to 8. So 2 into 10 plus 2 into 8. Now 2 tens are 20 plus 2 eights are 60. 2 eights are 60. So in that 0 plus 20 plus 16. So 0 plus 6, 6. 2 plus 1, 2 on your mind, 1 on your finger, 2 after 3. So here we have to write 3. So our answer is 36 centimeter. Our answer is 36 centimeters. So look at these sums and write it down in your notebook. Now our next shape is square. So in the side is equal to 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. So here we have to write S is equal to 24 centimeter. After that write the formula. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side is equal to 4 into 24. 4 into 24 is equal to 4 4s are 16. 1 is a carry over. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So answer is 96 centimeter. Perimeter of square is equal to 96 centimeter. Now look at these sums and write it down in your notebook. Look at the sums and write it down in your notebook. Now our next sum is triangle. In the triangle A, B and C, here 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So what we have to write here? A is equal to 6 centimeter, B is equal to 6 centimeter and C is equal to 6 centimeter. Here we have to write perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. So in that 6 plus 6 plus 6. Here we have to write 6 plus 6. 6 on your mind, 6 on your finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 on your mind, 6 on your finger. 12 after 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So here we have to write 80 centimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is equal to 80 centimeter. After that, next sum is irregular shape. In that 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Irregular shape is there. So here we have to write A is equal to 1 centimeter, B is equal to 3 centimeter, C is equal to 4 centimeter and D is equal to 2 centimeter. Here we have to write perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. So in that 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. So our answer is 1 plus 3. 1 on your mind, 3 on your finger. 1 after 4, 1 after 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4. 4 on your mind, 4 on your finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 2. 8 on your mind, 2 on your finger. 8 after 9, 10. So here we have to write here 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is our answer. Now look at both the sums and write it down in your notebook. Here 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So in that we have to write here A is equal to 5 centimeter, B is equal to 1 centimeter, C is equal to 1 centimeter, D is equal to 2 centimeter, E is equal to 2 centimeter and F is equal to 1 centimeter. After that we have to write perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. So in that 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Now 5 plus 1. 5 on your mind, 1 on your finger. 5 after 6. 6 plus 1. 6 on your mind, 1 on your finger. 6 after 7. 7 plus 2. 7 on your mind, 2 on your finger. 7 after 8, 9. 9 plus 2. 9 on your mind, 2 on your finger. 9 after 10, 11. 11 plus 1. 11 on your mind, 1 on your finger. 11 after 12. So here we have to write 12 centimeter. We have to write here 12 centimeter. Now look at this and write it down in your notebook. Now our next sum is in that 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So in that here we have to write A is equal to 3 centimeter, B is equal to 1 centimeter, C is equal to 8 centimeter, D is equal to 1 centimeter, E is equal to 2 centimeter, F is equal to 1 centimeter, G is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. Now after that write it here. Perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G. Now after that write it here. 3 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 plus 1, 3 on your mind, 1 on your finger, 3 after 4. 4 plus 8, 4 on your mind, 4 on your mind, 8 on your finger, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 on your mind, 1 on your finger, 12 after 1 on your finger, 12 after 30. 30 plus 2, 30 on your mind, 2 on your finger, 30 after 50, 30 after 40, 50. 50 plus 1, 50 plus 1, 60. 60 plus 1, 70. So here our answer is 70 centimeter. Look at this sums and write it down in your notebook. Look at both the sums and write it down in your notebook. हम लोगों ने रिवीजन में, ठीक है, इन अ रिवीजन वी हैव टू कंप्लीटेड दैट फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शेप्स. नाउ शेप्स कोई भी होगा, आप लोगों को पेरीमीटर कैसे फाइंड करना है वो अच्छे से मालूम है, ठीक है. सो फॉर अ प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको होमवर्क में वर्कशीट नंबर 9 एंड वर्कशीट नंबर 10 जो आपके यूनिट में है, यूनिट नंबर 3 में पेज नंबर 8080 एंड पेज नंबर 81 पे जो पेज नंबर है वो आप लोगों को एज अ होमवर्क आप लोगों को कंप्लीट करना है. और जैसे आपका होमवर्क कंप्लीट होता है, ठीक है, बिफोर 3 o'clock आप हमें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में होमवर्क सबमिट करवाओगे. और रिवीजन ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन मस्ट बी डू इट. ये रिवीजन सबको करना है और अपनी नोटबुक में या रिवीजन बुक या फिर आप लोगों की रफ बुक में आप लोगों को रिवीजन लिखना है. जैसे रिवीजन कंप्लीट होता है हमें सबमिट करवाना है. ओके, सो यूनिट नंबर 3 में आज हम लोगों ने सीखा है रिवीजन में फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शेप्स. ओके एवरीवन, आई होप सो आप सब लोग अच्छे से लिख रहे होंगे और होमवर्क है और बिफोर 3 o'clock हमें व्हाट्सएप पे सबमिट करवाओगे. ओके एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय.